arrived at our launch site. Perfect conditions for launch. All right, Gray, you ready for launch? All right, let's start putting this stuff together.
Hey, Ryan.
Hey, what's going on?
All right, hold on. Gray, don't touch things. Oh, she's under. Just put it in. No.
What are the odds this thing actually ignites?
Good.
Hey,
Okay,
Ray, tell them how much you helped percentage-wise. Gray, stop Ginge.
0. I helped 0.
All right.
This ought to be interesting.
Oh,
All right. Now we got to
okay,
read
Gray.
these instructions.
Andy's charging admission here in New York.
Here's the starter. It says, put the key in. Right here. Okay. Ready? All right, let's get back. It's gonna go off now, Chase. Back up.
Are we gonna count down?
Yeah, we're gonna count down. So we have to hold the key in and make sure it lights up. And it's not lighting up. All right, let's count down. The key, it's not lighting up. I think that there's not a battery in here.
You didn't bring a battery?
No.
You didn't bring one?
I thought it came with one. All right, we're just gonna try. I don't think we have a battery. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. I thought it had a battery in it.
Oh.
All right, we're gonna have to call you back. Bye. All right, attempt 1. Trace, if at first you don't succeed.
Try again.
Yeah, we're just gonna try again, aren't we? All right, we're 3, 2, 1. Now. I think there's something wrong with it. Trace, I found the problem. Funny they don't include this in any of the instructions. All right, we're back again. What do you think is gonna happen this time? Do you think it's gonna work?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. You guys think it's gonna work?
Yep. See, Gray?
Bless you, Gray. All right, let's do a real countdown. We put this in first. Don't press the button until I say 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
3, 2.
2, 1. Ready, watch the rocket. Woo! Oh my gosh, it went so high and far. Let's go get it.
Here it is.
Where'd it go? I lost it.
I've got it.
You see it?
Yeah, it's over here.
Oh, there it is.
Boom. Great success.